Welcome to Creative World viewers. Today we will solve HANDA Electrical Engineering book problem. First, read the scenario. Two bulbs marked 200 watt, 250 volt and 100 watt 250 volt are joined in series with a 250 volt power supply. Power consumed in the circuit is option A 33 watt, option B 67 watt, option C 100 watt and option D 300 watt. We have to calculate the total power of this circuit. So first we will calculate the individual resistances of both bulbs. Resistance of 200 watt bulb will be R is equal to V square divided by P. I have used the basic formula of power, which is P equal to V square divided by R. In this scenario, voltage and power both are known, so we can calculate the resistance from these values. Taking the square of 250 volt and divided by the power of that bulb, which is 200 watt, we calculated the resistance of this bulb. Similarly, we will calculate the resistance of 100 watt bulb using same methodology and same formula. We got R is equal to 625 ohm. Now we have the resistance of both bulbs. We can make the series circuit. Resistance values of both bulbs are shown in this circuit. It is simple series circuit. We can calculate the accumulative resistance of both bulbs. So the total resistance of both bulb will be 100 watt resistance plus 200 watt resistance, which is 937.5 ohm. Now we have calculated the total resistance of circuit. Total supplied voltage are also given. We can use again the formula of power V square divided by R, and entering these values into the equation. Voltage are 250 and total resistance is 937.5, and we got 66.67, which is approximate equal to 67 watt. So the right answer will be option B, 67 watt. Thank you. See you again in next video.